you look around you, everything you see is matter. From the smallest object to the biggest object, all is considered matter. Matter is everything that occupies space, it has weight, and it has mass. Have you ever experienced a flat tire? When you pump air into this, the tire gets bigger and heavier. That only shows that the tire is occupied by an unseen mass, which is called, or unseen matter, which is called the gas. Now, the space that is occupied by this gas is called the volume. Volume is the amount of space that is occupied by matter. We are so lucky to have a fertile land. Now, mass is different from weight. If you see this object, this is called a palaya. Now, weight is considered as the heaviness of an object. We can measure weight through grams or kilograms. We can measure it but through our hands, which is the easiest way, or we can use the weighing scale. However, mass and weight is not the same. Mass is the amount of matter that occupies an object and it does not change, while weight is dependent on the pull of gravity of the earth. When we go outside or maybe in the outer space, the matter or the mass of the matter does not change, but the gravity or the pull of gravity does, or the weight change. Matter has three different phases. These are solid, liquid, and gas. All matter is composed of tiny particles called molecules. Molecules is even composed of the smallest particles, which is called an atom. A solid, like this rock, is composed of molecules. It is solid, has definite shape, it has definite mass, and it has a definite volume. In a solid, the molecules are closely packed together in order to create a definite shape. Solid has three properties. First, it easily breaks, and it's called brittleness. Solids are also malleable, meaning you can form this into different shapes, like this spoon or this bracelet. And it is also flexible. Flexibility is defined as the ability of that matter or that object to stretch, like a rubber band. This is an example of a liquid. A liquid has no definite shape, but it has a definite volume. A liquid's molecule is not as closely packed as solid. That's why it follows the shape of whatever container you put this into. Viscosity ability of liquid to flow. Ever wondered why water flows smoothly than the syrup? It is because of viscosity.
Go.
This is an example of gas. Gaseous particles are far from each other, unlike solid and liquid. That is the reason why it has no definite shape, it has no definite weight, and it has no definite mass. Now you know what matter is. Matter again is anything that occupies space, it has mass, and it has weight. There are three kinds or phases of matter. There are solids, there are liquids, and there are gases.